In order to download and install Python, you need to head on over to python.org and then hover over downloads and then click on your operating system. If you are using Windows, you need to download the one here for Windows, or if you are using Mac, you need to download the one for Mac. But for Mac users, before you download Python, you need to check if Python is already installed on your Mac or not. To do that, you can head on over to your terminal, open your terminal, and then in the terminal, just type Python 3 and then -- version, and then hit enter, and it's going to tell you if Python is installed or not. If Python is installed, it's going to print out the version. So as you can see here, the version is 3.7.1, and I'm going to be using Python 3. If you type Python, only Python without 3 and then -- version, it's going to print out the version of Python 2, which version of Python 2 that is installed on my Mac. But I'm going to be using Python 3, therefore you need to type Python 3 -- version and check if it's installed. If it's installed, then you don't need to do anything else. But if Python is not installed on your Mac, you need to head on over to python.org and then click on here on Mac OS X to check out all of the versions that are available, and you can download the latest version, which is 3.8.5 or 3.7 or even 3.6. It doesn't matter as long as it's 3.6 and above. And as you have seen, I'm using 3.7. The process of installing and downloading Python is the same for all of these versions, so you can select whichever you want. I already have downloaded 3.7.1 and installed it, so I'm going to click on it just to show you that how you can install it on Mac. So all you need to do is that you need to select the file. You have here the installer. As you can see, the installer, you can download the installer. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to take some time to download this package. And once it's installed, all you need to do is that you need to open it, and then you need to just click on a few nexts and accept the license. Just click on continue, and then readme, just make sure that you agree on the license here. Click on continue and then agree, and then just click on install, and it's gonna start installing. Click here on install, and once it's done, all you need to do is that you need to click on close, and you are good to go. And to make sure that Python has been installed, first of all, you can click on here go and then applications, and then you will find Python among your applications. As you can see here, it says Python 3.7, and you can check the if Python is installed or not by also heading on over to the terminal, and you need to close the terminal and then open a new terminal. You need to open a new terminal to check if it's installed or not. And then in a new terminal, you need to type again Python 3 and then -- version, and then hit enter. And as you can see, it's going to tell you that it's going to print out Python 3.7.1, and also make sure that pip is installed. Type pip and then -- version and hit enter, and it should here print out the version and where it's installed. Also pip 3 and then -- version, and then hit enter, and as you can see here, pip 20.2, and it's installed. So this is how you can install Python 3 on your Mac.